Let me show you a preview of the landing page that we will be building together. Let's head into the landing page. Here we have a beautiful looking landing page where I promise anyone who joins this landing page a free email marketing course. Here we have a photo of a beautiful man. Then we have a call to actions, the benefits and what we're going to be learning once we join this email newsletter, a call to actions and a button. Here people can add their names and add their email addresses. So this is what we're going to be building together, and let's do that right now. So let's head up to our ConverKit account. Once you're logged into your ConverKit account, the first thing you need to do is click on the Grow menu option. Then you select the landing pages page. We click that right now. Once the page loads, we hit the Create New button. Then we select the landing page options. And the beauty of ConverKit is that it gives you a bunch of free templates that you could use. But I would like to use this template for the moment because I actually really like it. So let's find it out and let's choose this one, the Siesta theme, by clicking on the Choose button. Fantastic. The first thing we need to do once the page loads is rename this to the name of the free thing that you're going to be giving to your audience. In this case, I'm going to call it Free Email Marketing Course. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to hit the Save button. Then I'm going to start updating the page, the look and feel of the page. And to do that, I'll open my Notion account to find the copy that I wrote for my landing page. And the first thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy paste the headline. Where? On this side. I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to paste the description of this landing page on this side. Then I'm going to change the call to action to I want this. As you can see, all I have to do is click on the different elements and then change the text. On this case, I don't want it to be like a new post, so I'm going to change this to get my free email marketing course. Or I could just remove all of that and say free email marketing course. So that way it's quicker to read. After we're done with that, I would love to change the image that we see on this side. And to do so, all I have to do is click the image, then click Replace button. Then we find the image that we want to upload to this ConverKit. And that's all you have to do. Once we're done with that, we click Save. So that way we know that everything is already saved in case that your computer breaks down. So what else? I need to change this, and this. How do we do that? Well, first let's go to my Notion account and I'm going to copy paste all of this on this side. I'm going to change this, I'm going to add a period, then I'm going to paste everything else. Fantastic. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to change the headline, the secondary headline, to this one. Copy paste. Then I'm going to copy paste all of this once again on this side over here. No, paste as usual. And remove any weird spacing that ConverKit added. Then I'm going to keep doing the same things with the secondary headline by copy pasting all of that on this side, and then my call to actions. Let me change this. Fantastic. Copy paste, paste on this side, and then change the call to action to I want this. After we're done copy pasting all of the content, then we start changing and optimizing the page so it looks how we want it to look. So the process is simple. First, you copy paste all of the information inside your landing page, and then you start changing the colors and start removing or adding new stuff to the landing page, which is exactly what we're going to be doing now. The first thing I'm going to be removing is this and this button that we see here. But since we have the free version, we cannot remove that. When you pay for ConverKit, yes, you can click on this button to disable the Built with ConverKit button. Anyhow, let's go back up and let's save this. The next step on this tutorial is to change the general styles of your landing page. And you do that by clicking on this option on this side, the general styles. And as you can see, there are many options with which you can play on this sidebar. And let's start with changing the headings typography by clicking on this select option and then finding one of my favorite fonts, Montserrat. After we're done with that, we're going to change the body typography to one that I enjoy more, which is Open Sans. Fantastic. Then we can triple click on this side and make it bold. Looking better, right? Now here's something I've noticed that some people don't take into consideration when they're creating their landing pages. Use fewer typographies. Instead of using like 3, 4, 5 different typefaces, stick with 2. In this case, I have 1 Montserrat, 2 Open Sans, and this one, which it's called Playfair Display. So what I'm going to do is click here, and I'm going to change this font to the one that I selected for the body, which is Open Sans. And now we only have 2 typefaces. The next step is then to start changing some of the details of the landing page. For example, the button colors, this background color, and of course, this ugly background image that we have here. And the first step to do that is clicking on the general styles, then removing the background image by clicking on this option. Then we change the color to a more beautiful one. Let's find one that I like and enjoy, which is this one. Then we're going to be changing everything else. And we start by selecting the box color picker, changing that one to this color. And the box background in this case is for this little box behind my photo. Then we're also going to change the arrow color, select that and remove it. And finally, we're going to change this background color to a light gray. Let's see this one. Let's select a more bluish one in this case. Let's select this blue. Great. Now, the thing is that now I can't read this very well. So the way to change the color of this typeface is by clicking it, then selecting the color on the color picker. We're going to do the same process for this text color. Select, choose the color, and that's it. Finally, for this box, we're going to remove all of that by selecting it and deleting it and changing the color of the button. For which one? For the same one we have been using. And we're going to do the same thing for this button by clicking it, then clicking the color picker and using the color that we love so much and clicking the save button. Let's scroll down and let's see what else we can do on this page. Yep, there's nothing more we can do. Anyhow, let's click on the save button, then the publish button, and we're going to copy this URL by clicking on this button here. Then we're going to open a new tab, paste this, and now we have our new landing page. Caveat, don't promote it yet because we have not yet configured it so that people that join your email newsletter get the free guide or the free PDF or the free freebie that you're going to be sending to them, which we'll be doing in the next video. So stay tuned.